So I'm going to show you how to pre-populate some data in a static graphic. So I've set up a Piechart, and you're going to need to go out to the take inspector when this is online. I'm just previewing this currently through the virtual server channel. So you're going to need to go into each one of the values and start populating this with numbers. This will update live, so you could maybe do this while it's on air, if you know the values of the areas that you want to fill. So something interesting is we can actually link this to a Inception poll. So I've created a voting poll, and I've got 5 entries, and I've just called this poll question, poll topic, just for now. All of these entities, so entry 1 to 5, is actually linked to a Datalinq. So when I input these values and I save, you'll see on the virtual output that this will populate and calculate all those values into percentages. So this brings up some interesting use cases. It may be that you want to kind of schedule this for a poll to go out at a certain point during your broadcast. If you don't want these values anymore, you can just reset them using the little reset button. You could start the poll immediately and have that go out to Twitter and have your followers have it directed at a particular site and have your followers contribute towards that poll. Now again, these are linked via data links, so any of these keywords I can just update anytime I want to. I'm making sure that I press save, and that will go through to the graphic that's set up. So you can see a much more interesting use here. Again, you can schedule those to go out at any point. You can also, geo-target this, or target it to, or direct it to a particular channel rather than a trending topic. So to set this up, just go over to my Datalinq manager in Xpression, and I'm just make sure that my link servers are correct. Going back to this, I'll just copy my poll URL just down at the bottom left of the voting poll, and then I'll go back over to my Datalinq manager and I'll just configure this and go to my poll URL, enter that URL that I've just copied, make sure it's okay, and then take it back over. So this is just a bit of a look behind the scenes of how this graphic's set up. There's a load of data links linked through to the values, and then onwards through to the graphic.